a perfect sweet and sour sauce for a festive dinner, a pomegranate sauce with sugar and cinnamon, both expensive ingredients at the time. It goes both as a sweet condiment with your holiday roast and, not historically authentic but good, as a hot sauce on ice cream. The recipe is from the 15th century Neapolitan Recipe Collection that is sometimes attributed to Maestro Martino.